All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to put your Ford Mustang Mach-E into parking brake maintenance mode. First thing you want to do is push this button right here. You are not going to turn the vehicle on. You are going to be in full accessory mode only. Second thing you want to do, down here, you're going to mash that accelerator all the way down to the floor, just like that. Next thing we're going to do is we are going to push down on this. So go ahead and push down on your emergency brake right there. And then we're going to cycle our start button here really quick. So we'll push it once, and then within 5 seconds, we will push it again. So we will push it once, and then we'll push it again. And that should get us into brake maintenance mode. All right, so you're ready to take it out of brake maintenance mode. It's a little bit different, so pay attention to this. Again, you're going to have it into full accessory mode. So we've already got it into full accessory mode. Same thing down here. We're going to mash that accelerator all the way to the floor. And then this time we're going to pull up on it. You'll hear it dinging at us because it is in maintenance mode. And then we are going to push the brake pedal for at least 1 second. And then we will release the brake pedal. And then we are going to cycle this button here again, 1, 2 times within 5 seconds. And I can hear it re-engaging there in the back. Parking brake is on, and we are now good to go. So that's how you do it with a Ford Mustang Mach-E, engaging parking brake maintenance mode, and then disengaging it. So whenever you're done with your brake job or whatever it may be, you'll be good to go. Like, subscribe, all that fun stuff.